Want your car to last longer and save yourself thousands in repairs? Do these 5 simple things. First, change your engine oil and oil filter on time, or even a little early. As oil gets older, it breaks down and becomes contaminated with dirt, fuel, and combustion byproducts. That reduces lubrication and increases engine wear. Second, check your oil and coolant levels regularly. It is as simple as pulling out the oil dipstick when the car is off and looking at the coolant reservoir bottle level. The car should have a level showing high and low. A good habit is every time you fill up with fuel. Even a brand new engine can be damaged if it runs low on oil or coolant. Low levels can cause overheating, excessive wear, and eventually engine failure. Third, when you start the engine, give it at least 30 seconds before driving away. This allows oil to circulate through the engine and lubricate critical components. Fourth, drive gently while the engine is cold. Avoid high RPM and hard acceleration until it reaches operating temperature. Most engine wear occurs during cold starts before everything has fully warmed up and expanded to its normal clearances. And finally, replace the engine air filter when it becomes dirty or clogged. At the very least, inspect it and give it a clean. A clean air filter helps the engine breathe properly and can improve efficiency and performance. These 5 things are inexpensive, easy to do, and only take minutes. But they could save you thousands of dollars in repairs and help your car last for many years to come.